All right, building a little crane section today for a recovery vehicle. Let's see if I can get this thing together. Here's the crane. It's got some telescoping sections. Okay, got a couple hydraulic pistons, cylinders, whatever you call them. This is the main piece. And I designed it so you can have, we'll be able to put multiple different rotating components onto the back of this. So it's got a snap-in groove down there. So this is the base of the crane section. So let's see if we can get this thing together. So the first piece pops in. So that slides on there. The pistons, the hydraulic cylinders rotate along with it, obviously. Okay, next we need the crane. Kind of haven't fully attached it yet, so you can kind of angle it and get it into the pivot. All right, now we got to put a little spacer on here for the hydraulics. Okay. And then I think this one goes on the side. This is my first time hooking this all together. Let's see how it works out. Tedious little work. I think I'm gonna need to put on the bottom spindle first. Yeah. Okay, got it. There's a little bit of bind in that brass on that on this steel rod down here, but worked out. So now I need to measure up a couple spacers, and I'm gonna put a spacer in there, and then like an end block or like a nut. Call it done. All right, crane model's done. And the second I started my video camera up, the neighbor's drill went off and the other neighbor's Harley started up. Cool. So we're just rolling with it. Okay, there it is. 1/48 scale recovery vehicle crane. This is a tedious little bugger. Using some 1/8 inch aluminum and I guess that's 1/4 inch brass, 3/16. Some spacers in there. The screws actually go into the pivot tube on this tank turret hatch that I found in a spare parts bin. Just put a peg through the bottom with spacers. Gotta come back, I split that one, but I'm not gonna go through the trouble of making another one. Put some putty in there. Gonna put a little bit of putty in here. But, oh, and then I also have screws that'll go into here. Bolts. I just gotta dig those out of the bin. They'll probably be M2s. All right. So yeah, anyway. Saturday morning, finishing up the crane. Ooh, looks like I lost one of my end caps. I don't want to glue them on yet because I'm going to be painting this thing. And I'm going to disassemble it before I paint it. There we go. And then once I paint it, I'll glue these little nuts, miniature nuts. on. So yeah, I designed this thing. This is the top of the vehicle, of the recovery vehicle. I designed it so I can change out components. So this is slide tube. So all the components, I'm going to build a turret for it also with a wider base, artillery turret. So they're all going to slide onto a tube for interchangeability. Yeah. So this whole thing pivots. Our neighbor's working on his fence, I think. There we go. HTK crane done. I think it turned out pretty good. That nut doesn't want to stay on. All right, let me know what you think in the comments. Hey, thanks for checking out my video. If you like my work and are interested in checking out more, please check out my gumroad.com site and purchase some of my books. This vehicle will be featured in my upcoming book, so stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you all in the next one.